Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. At tutorial today we are going to focus on using Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark is an online mobile design app which is used to make videos, memes and posters. For this tutorial I'm going to be using to show you step by step how to create posters using Adobe Spark. So this is the Adobe Spark. The first thing that you need to come to home. Once you come to home, you can see the various things that you can do. Adobe Spark can be able to create a poster, a graphic for Instagram stories, Instagram post, Facebook post, college for photo college, presentation, slideshow, branded, custom size, view all. Yeah, these is the platform that Adobe can is able to use all those. But for this tutorial, we are going to focus on how to create a YouTube thumbnail. Also, you can be able to create a Facebook cover, a Facebook post, and design professionally. I'm going to be taking you one-on-one on designing a YouTube thumbnail. So ensure you stick with me to the end of the video recording. Like, subscribe, and share it to your friends. So the very first thing that you need to come to Adobe Spark is it is taking sometimes to load. You have to sign up either with your Google or continue with the Facebook, or you sign up with your email. Or in some places you meet the college has paid the Adobe Spark, and you log in with your school account. Then with that, with small editing skills, you'll be able to select whatever you need. For myself, I created a YouTube thumbnail. So the first thing that we are going to be doing in this photo, we'll come and first delete this middle button. Yeah. Then Adobe Spark has a place where you can add something. It has a design. You can change colors, you can change layout. Like these are just layout. You can resize pictures towards your customization. For our tutorial, we are going to add a photo, and we'll be able to, once we add a photo, it will go to be fetch it from the initial from our computer. So we will come and say upload the photo. On clicking upload the photo, we'll come here, and in pictures we will pick one of the photos. Then we'll come here, and we'll use add to college layout, or move it freely. For one of our options, since we've just taken a random picture, we'll move it freely so that we may resize it. And once we resize it, this is the standard measurement of a thumbnail. Each and everything has its standard. So I'm waiting for it to upload here for us to move it freely. Adobe has filters. Here it is. So what we'll do, we will first delete these layout. We delete these images. So we'll say delete cell, and we also delete these other cells, so that it becomes that we are working on one cell alone. So this is the cell that we'll be working. This is the photo that we just uploaded freely. The next thing we'll have to stretch it. We'll have to stretch it so that it fits one of these end. You see now it has produced a perpendicular. It's perpendicular to that side. This other side will be able to pull it so that it covers the whole place. We can still see our details. So the other thing that we need to do is we need to come to and script a text inside here. We'll come add, and we say a text. a text. The text we need to highlight the font, or the stylistic style that we want to use for our font. So we'll also yeah, we so this is it. So we'll be able to click. Yeah, we can see the screenshot is saying welcome to welcome to PayPal. So that is what we'll write. We write welcome to PayPal to PayPal to PayPal M-Pesa with withdrawal withdrawal. You can type your head in there, then you will just click done. Then afterwards you'll find that it has restructured your it has restructured. So we will come here and first take we had clicked move things freely. We'll be able to delete the mother the initial layout has been deleted, and you can see it's now free. So what will come here, will come and stick these our photo inside here, and ensure that it aligns with this end perpendicularly. It has aligned. Next we'll come to the text that we've just scribbled. We'll try to change its color so that it happens to be in a more visible color. Yeah, all of us can see now it is welcome to PayPal M-Pesa withdrawal. We can restructure it for a good to contain good graphics, for us to be able to view this lady and still have this information. To resize it, you just need to click the four corners. Yeah, you need just to click the four corners and restructure it in a very very seamlessly. You can restructure it, you can make it to the size that you want, and we'll be able to, you can also restructure and make it flow in one line. It has flowed. Okay, we need to return the initial photo to its initial position. To initial position, this is, we have said welcome to money withdrawal. We can resize it. Also we can come here and change the different we can put different styles. Here this is the suggestion, this is the shafter for the stylings. You can see the way it's changing. Yeah, you can see that it's changing. Welcome to PayPal withdraw. You can see different designs. Let us enlarge the design so that they are very visible. We can enlarge it no anytime. Yeah, we can enlarge it. We need to click the four sides. So we can shuffle according to any design that we want. If we are interested in a design, we can maybe stick with that one, and we can enlarge it. We can enlarge it and resize it. We can also make it more stylistic and maybe tilt the angle. We can be able to restructure it and make it just occupy the one sentence and restructure it. So another thing that SparkAdope enables us is that we can reshape the padding. We can change the padding. When we shift, you can see what is shifting. The padding is this background red layer. You can resize it. So you see now it's exact. We can maybe the best appropriate is maybe like to make it 60% so that it is that way. The other thing that that we can be able to do is the type, the shadow extent. The shadow extent, we can put shadow line. Once we put the shadow line, we can be able to resize the direction of the shadow, where the direction of the shadow will be. This point is not demonstrating this capability in its best. We can also change the outline, line thickness. Outline is the line thickness, the line thickness of the words. So you can see the words have really expanded. So after doing that, we'll have our brand. Now these are an attractive thumbnail. Since we talked about when creating a thumbnail, you should generate something that the viewer, by viewing the thumbnail, they should be able to tell the content of the video. So the video is about welcome to PayPal money service. We have this lady. This is the screenshot that we just picked from the site, and we also have put our brand. We also need to put a stamp. It's very important to put a stamp to any thumbnail that we've created. Putting a stamp, the best, we'll pick this style. Using this style, we'll come here and edit it. Once we edit it, we'll put the stamp that we are going to put is lifestyle tutorials. Since this is a thumbnail that is being new, it will be an asset of lifestyle tutorials the moment we upload it. Then we'll have to resize it accordingly. We can make them, we need them to be two different names words. We can just since it's a stamp, we can take it here at the corner, or maybe we can just put it in this different, so that this ensures that nobody will come and claim copy issues over the same. Since we put our trademark, let us put it in a red coloring, so that's our stamp. So the other thing that we need to do is we need to come and download. Once we download, we can download as a PNG, we can download as a JPEG, and we can also download as a PDF. After downloading, we will be able to use that content as our thumbnail. Also, we need to come and click in the project so that it saves. It is saved in our SparkAdobe. Yeah. So these are the different projects that I've done in Spark. You see, these are projects that we have saved. These are the other thumbnails that I've been creating. So welcome to my YouTube channel, lifestyle tutorials. In the description link, you will find my link on how to on SparkAdobe. Ensure you click it, install it, and one of the things that makes YouTube videos to trend is ensuring that you have very clear thumbnails. Thumbnail, we said that should be something, a picture that you upload, that the viewer, the moment they see your content, they can be able to tell what content, what is inside that content. So like this one, we talked about is a video that we are talking about linking a credit card and a debit card, and you can see the credit card is already here on top. So I think we are good to go. Ensure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. Yeah, we will let us wait till this one opens up.